Fellow Nigerians, a group of 10 Chinese criminals were arrested by Amotekun when they were unlawfully mining gold on the 11th day of May at Osun State. Over 72 hours, a week since they were arrested, nothing has been done about their case. They have not been taken to court in accordance with the Nigerian law. If that is how Amotekun is going to do their work, they should quickly review the purpose of their existence, because this silence is economic sabotage. Now, on the 11th of May, 2020, 2 other Chinese were caught, contractors. They were caught criminally offering 50 million naira bribe to officers of the EFCC in Sokoto State to truncate the investigation of the abandoned projects in Nigeria. Now, over 72 hours since they were arrested, they have not been taken to court. These are the same contractors that connive with Nigerians. They inflate prices of the cost of contracts, and they abandon the contracts in Nigeria. So if EFCC under Buhari's APC will fight corruption in this manner, then you have no need to preach anything concerning anti-corruption. No need at all. You mean that the Chinese are above the law in Nigeria? This is inferiority complex. This is inferiority complex. Can a Nigerian engage in such an illegal mining in China or offer such a bribe? They will finish the Nigerian. They will even kill him before calling the police to pick his corpse. The Chinese government sentences their citizens to death for such offenses. This is the same way that EFCC is sweeping under the carpet the petition of money laundering written against Ahmed Tinubu. So Tinubu and the Chinese are above the law in Nigeria. This is why they don't respect us in China, because we have no respect for ourselves and for our laws in our country. Some of the Chinese reside in Nigeria without valid documents, and they reside in our country without valid documents, and they indulge in all sorts of criminalities and illegal businesses, tax evasion, payment of poor salaries, and unconducive working conditions for Nigerian workers. But we are treating them like demigods. It's not just about the Chinese. Anybody in Nigeria must be subject to the laws of Nigeria, just as we respect their laws in our country, in their countries where we reside. When such offenses are committed by Nigerians, the police will almost beat the Nigerian almost to death in detention. The Nigerian Minister of Justice and the police IG should tell Nigerians why they are sweeping our laws under the carpet. For fear of the Chinese? It is a national disgrace. On the other hand, the Nigerian media are very good at breaking news. They broke the news about the Chinese, but they hardly follow news to the end. Oh, the Nigerian media were bribed to be silent? If it is a Nigerian that committed these offenses abroad, it would have been on CNN, it would have been on BBC by now. So why did the Ministry of Information not take this news to the international media? Why? The Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria is closely watching this news to see if the government is going to sweep this case of the Chinese under the carpet. It's unacceptable. Are you saying that our laws cannot be respected by foreigners in our country? Or the APC government of Buhari is afraid that when the Chinese are persecuted, they can no longer collect bribes, they can no longer collect loans, as has become traditional with this government? We are watching. You must take them to court. Any foreigner that commits a crime in Nigeria, as long as Nigerians are forced to face the law or made to face the law, Every foreigner must face our laws, no matter whose ox is God.